Also, what you guys need to remember is on this particular roundabout, the Bradley roundabout, they've changed the speed limits now. When you drive in the area, when you are approaching, when you see this roundabout, make sure to look out for the signboards. We are going to turn right at the roundabout, so I need to move into the right lane. So check center mirror right, mirror signal right, move into the right lane, position my car. There's no car on my right side, so I continue to drive nice and steady. Remember, when you have entered the roundabout, you have priority over everybody else, so don't rush yourself. So take your time when you are. So when you exit the roundabout, check the center left mirror signal left and move into the left lane.